My country people that are the salute. This one na original Tory master, all the way from Berlin, Bundes capital city. I bring on a plenty Tory today. No understand no? So few days behind, I began meeting with governing mayor for Berlin, Mr. Michael Müller, the SPD representative. We take care for Berlin. So he sent me this news, make I can tell now. He said make I tell now, say, he don't make new law them. And he thinks if I tell now, I will understand better. He said for this Monday, 27, for this 27th of this month, say he don't put new law them. Say if you want enter bus, train, Strassenbahn, U-Bahn, S-Bahn, he say you must cover your mouth. Whether you cover an wrapper or now towel, cover your mouth. If you want to go for a shop, that one concern you. If you like cover, if you like not cover. But it advise people, they say, make una all cover mop. Cover mop. Because this sick, you never get treatment. If they catch you, you go die. Prevention is better than cure. Be wise and be warned. Una don't hear. To read my side, don't read past the news. He said even small picking them, they get right for wear mask. But if the small picking no one, una levy, una not force her. The Senate for Berlin, he said make I tell una, say people where they don't get masks, not a problem. He already arranged for some people to go produce plenty masks and they go pack and then he go tell to remaster, he go can't tell una. For them, if you just go take an eye so that you no go pay no money and you know if you complain, say, hey, you no get that because you no get money. Now understand? Now understand me now? So for continue, the federal family minister for Bundesland, if he tell me, say, he don't look for social media, he see as mommy that they cry. Ay, they touch you for a bitter. He's so, they worry. He say, ay, mommy that they cries. They tell us some mommy their high, their blood pressure don't go very high up because they begin them. They want kill them for us. She don't hear picking it, she don't sleep when you're picking it, they sleep. Do so. See, they don't complain. So federal family minister for Bundesland, he don't just make a tell una say, he don't carry una complain, he don't go tell baby people they from governor. Say, mommy they too suffer. Begin the delay for us, they not even come up as I go take air because of the problem we'll get because of this corona. So it make the mommy their blood pressure they high. We no one lost one mommy, we love one mommy so much. So he beg, he say he don't tell people they from governor, say he beg me they do something quick so that they begin them. They think they go outside, go play for playground. You understand? They go play for this playground there. And they think they go for daycare center. Go meet up their mommy the way they know for take care for them, play with them. So that the mommy they to their head feel cool small. The mommy they don't try you. For almost 2 months now, this is nearly theirs. Mommy they get problems, so when they are BP don't high. You understand? Me say I be papa, I know it what they talk. So you need not say I just talk and read. No, it's not about reading. Me say I experience them. So they thank mommy Francisca Giffey for SPD for this plea where don't go the bed governor people. They may do something for mommy and papa they, for the picking the way they want kid for us. Would they thank you? And he say make I tell una say make una join in for prayer so that men governor bring answer quick for this matter so that picking the fit go outside start play. You understand now? So make we thank mommy for putting up this. He say in my office he must do something, you know, he must do something. So I need already do one, but the way now I just answer. But the pray say better answer will come out very fast. And before I forget, Mr. Michael Müller, he say make I tell una say for people them way they want to do baptism, they want go for church, they want marriage, they want do funeral from Wednesday way. This Wednesday way they come so. This Wednesday I don't know na 28 or na 28 on na first one I don't know. But Wednesday way they come. He say make I tell una say people the way if you do all these things they will call them. Say una fit do am, but una no must be more than 20 people and una go still maintain una distance. You understand that? Una must maintain this distance, but una no must be more than 20 people. So if he talk about the thing, I say that means say our church. That means next Sunday, so maybe not only mass servants and choir to go church. Then next week maybe CWA and elders to go their own too. We don't know, but we know say Father will arrange everything, you know. That one will be very, very sure. Father will do proper arrangement. Wait, everybody feel the year word for God. Huh? You don't understand now? You know, say tomorrow na Sunday, I just the couple begin for go church, man, go do Hail Mary full of grace. You get plenty grace here, you big pass all man, and blessed be with your picking Jesus. I miss all. But you still do my prayer me for us. For me, I don't know for you, but me, I do my prayer me for us. So we go come on here now, we go international. We go for Cameroon. Yeah. So during this corona period for Cameroon, now at the same time we begin the right final year exam. And the government don't look and say the thing that affects so many people. The way you go do it, don't worry. It don't vex, it call all teacher them. I don't know why not, but it call teacher them. He say, when I know what you now do, we must help the picking them in the go school. We now go start teaching picking them for CRTV. Every day, 1 or 2 or 3 hours. Math, English, general knowledge, and science. Now start teaching picking them every day. I look the thing so I say, "Aye, you are government, they form sense so better people than this." When I look at where they show the kid, when I look at you, as me too, I look at.
Water and carbon dioxide. Yes, it's a typical reaction. In chemistry, this substance, calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid, are considered as reactants because they are the starting material. And these three are called products.
So, my brother, don't see that the situation now for Cameroon now, picking the must learn for television now, 1 channel TV. So all the whole Cameroon, 24 million people, they go for watching TV. We don't know how many students they get up, who get up. All they go for watching another TV station. So we don't know how they want to do. But now we may ask government, say, so now it means say, if person in the television, in will learn the book. Because we know very well, people don't have even the television. I did call my brother last week, I did ask him, say, brother, how? After that people with the right advanced level, if they follow that lessons, he tell me say, Doriman, which lessons? We will not get light since 2 weeks today. I said, it don't happen. I said, it don't happen, no. How the pikin want to learn? And my question is, 2 weeks they not get light. Don't let them even get television, but they not get light. So what will be the difference? So this news at the camp can pass and make they tell. And they just plead with Cameroon government, say, may they do something where if you help this picking them, the learn book. If they want to do something, may they do something for all picking them. Oh, member we Tara, member all you are picking them. You know mean say man no get television, no go learn book. You don't understand? So government get for thing. And they send this message, go give them directly for Minister of Education. So that make you do something. I don't know who will be Minister of Education now. You understand? For my own time, we begin from nursery school to that can finish school. Now only Robert Bella and Papa. I don't know how to see them because most of them see them. You understand now? So any person where they now, I beg, when I send in news make go rishi. Make they give everything for this thing. Because picking them, plenty picking them, the one they don't push, the one they don't have, they not even get TV. So hard the one to learn. Why? Make we help what picking them. This picking them are the future of tomorrow. Now they therefore take over Cameroon if only we just pray say if they learn the book, if they not learn book, how they want to take over the country? They not fit. So beg government in place, make them do something, see how they help the picking them. This country, all our country, and they say the future of the country line up with picking them. So make we do something so that make the picking them get better education. Make we need to rely only on some opportunities, only some people that go benefit. It be very, very psychologically affect plenty picking them. We beg government. Una do something, Cameroon government, una do something, Minister of Education, do something, politicians, una raise una voice, talk, me they do something about this issue. Because I know say people there, it don't have. Me I be just story master, I know if you do more, I just feel talk and talk. So una send this message, may go reach or Ministry of Education, and we hope say they will do something. They will act and act very fast. Now understand now? I did just do my part. So, Tori Master, I'll go before I want to run to an end. I just drop in some small thing where you just enter my head. You know, so the corona, now time they so plenty things they say when wind blow, for far you should they open now. So now, so we don't see plenty things during this corona period. I just look for social media, I can't tumble for some video. I don't laugh today. Now I say my share out to do now. Now understand now. People don't appoint a man of God, a prophet of God, a father of God, my father in Jesus, my father in the Lord. Then they fight each other. War for internet now. So I don't know why poverty. When I say God, he called again, or they don't lost got the telephone number. You understand? They divide each other. One pastor they come say, this pastor will give anointing water, they give anointing water, they give handkerchief, they give this one.
We are isolated together. Tell me now, if there is any pastor you have heard or seen, all those pastors will sell anointing oil. Tell me if there is any pastor you have heard that is saying my anointing oil can work as a hand sanitizer. Tell me of all the pastors all over the world and all the prophets who've been claiming that they can heal the sick, who've been claiming that they're all powerful and mighty. Tell me one of those pastors who have gone to pray for coronavirus patients.
They give anointing matango, anointing everything. Say, may they come now, decide go divide for patient them, for corona patient them. We'll see what they go heal them. May they do miracle. The one where we say be heal, erase the dead. We don't want to erase the dead. No, want to only heal the sick. Nobody need to come out. All man don't take cover under a woman in ampy, under their bed. All they don't take cover. See their life. So this message I send them, go give people the way that the job follow men of God them. Foolishly they say they don't move their sense. No, nothing. Now give everything. This time most parents don't stay hard, they pray. And I believe say God will hear their prayer. They don't be need men of God, you know. Not be say make you don't go church. No. God is there. God is make we go church, you know. Make we God is love, you know, understand? Not be man of God. Not be man of God. So make we keep think, you know. Any place where you go, they say your spiritual life need grow. My brother, retreat. No, that is not by force. You know must. You know must. She don't think and know where if you go, you get a good fellowship with God. You know, understand? So I need to criticize nobody, but I just go for thing. Now the thing that they say on for social media, they make how they react so. So I don't get any problem with anybody. Me, I get my own side go, you know. And I don't must drag somebody go the bed, you know. We just say people they say, make them get sense. Make them get sense. Make them not just the follow pastor. They say they don't. I don't know why they don't charm them or wait till it happen. You don't understand? Yeah. So they pray God say God will save all these people then from this their dubious accident in the nearest future. God will reveal them. God will vindicate them, and God will bring them. And make them real men of God. Where they know God, they be the only for the destroy people, their family, and extort from people. You don't understand? So me I be just Tori master, I dey throw my own Tori. You don't understand now? So I think I don't come today for the end for the Tori na weekend. I don't want to take too much of my time. You understand? Yeah. So maybe we just go cook better chop this weekend. We chop fine. We enjoy with our family. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we know say in the nearest future we go be happy again. This one, original Tori master from Berlin, reporting directly from Bundes capital city. Stay blessed and one love.